I be girl, I be boy. When you look down here, I be boy. But when you look go up, I be girl. So guys, the two when I get, it dey very active. No one when no dey active. So people say make I go hospital, go check whether make I check the one when they active pass. Whether na the male or na the female own. Guys, even without checking, I know for myself say the two dey active.
My people, things they really occur for this life where we deal. They talk and say a lot of people they face so many challenges for inside house, but when they come out you think everything they okay. This lady don't come out come talk say as they see am so she be boy and she be girl, she get toto and she get prick. This small thing for this life where we deal. How one person go get toto and prick inside one body, and she talk say the both of them they very active. So if man hungry she go turn on the toto on. If girl hungry na Gbola she go use. While I be like bicycle for this life where we dey. I go play the rest of the video. Make una take una hear wetin she talk. Omo, I dey just dey pity her cause dey easy. I just dey wonder the kind depression when she go there inside carrying toto and prick in one body. Hi God, if you don't watch this video, I beg give us thumbs up, share our videos, give us likes and comments. They give us one kind of encouragement to continue. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.
Instead you dey use the Gbola to the knack. I don't come to answer everybody when they always ask me that particular question. Why are they use the Gbola the knack when I know they use the bekus? Now because of heartbreak. I dey use the bekus before I dey use the bekus, but now I know they use them again. Time when I dey use the bekus, I dey date man, I dey date guys, but since none of them take advantage of me, I kukuma change to be boy when I be. I find peace, happiness for girl body. I no fit date boy again, because when some people, some guys, when they come close to me finish, they don't use me finish. The next thing they go cast me. The next thing they not go take me serious. The one way won't take me serious before, if you find out say I get Gbola, he not go take me serious again. He go use me. He go deceive me. He go use me. Some say they go even hide camera, video me. Say finally they don't meet girl, do everything finish. Now when I don't reach out, he can't send me the video. I can't beg and say make it delete the video. I beg. Make it delete this video, make it not post them, I beg. Guys, this one are waiting guys they do me. This one are waiting boys they do me. No be say I know they use my bekus. No be say the bekus no they active. If they active, but fear of heartbreaking. Fear of say guy go use me anyhow. Now why I choose to dey follow girl. Now why I choose to dey date girl. See me now. I be girl, I be boy. When you look down here, I be boy. But when you look go up, I be girl. So guys, the two when I get, it dey very active. No one when no dey active. So people say make I go hospital, go check whether make I check the one when they active pass. Whether na the male or na the female own. Guys, even without checking, I know for myself say the two dey active. I dey use the female own before. But now I know they use them again because people when they use them for, they betray me. They use me anyhow. Now why I decided to use the male own. I dey use the male own pass the female own. And I'm ready to use the male own for the rest of my life because now the same thing. Now the same feelings when you dey use the male own. So for those of you when be say una dey for this kind of condition, for those of you girls when be say shame no let una come outside, but una get Gbola. As a girl you get Gbola, but shame no let you come outside. I beg, I don't open door for una. Make una come outside. I beg. Not just by yourself. Depression is real. I know what I pass through before I come outside, come talk. Make una come outside. Come on, shame for face. See me now, they stand boldly, they talk. Before I know if you come outside, come talk. Before I know if you tell anybody what I they pass through. I always wear BB cloth they waka. I know if you wear what tight my body waka because people go notice. Anywhere I go, if they think notice me. So people they always they notice say if like say this girl get Gbola. And why you say now big trouser now they wear big cloth when they say they cover me reach my knee now they wear so that people no go notice. Some people go tell say why my own no they always they show like the way my own they show. My own they show because of say this space where you they see so it carry two things. e occupy two things, not be only one thing e occupy. So tell me why I no go show. How you take expect this one and man want to dey the same position? So guys, that is my answer to your question. Those of una wey come my DM because they ask me all these questions. Now the reason why be that I choose to follow girl, I know they follow man. So guys, thank you for watching. The video I posted last, if you look the video very well, I wear this gown. And if you look the video very well, you go see say now this bossa, now I tell you wear the gown, now I wear under this particular gown where you dey see so. Because some people now don dey talk for comment section say I tie something. They say I tie something for waist. So guys, I won't tell una this thing. If you doubt, no wahala. Your doubting when you dey doubt, so you no go change who I be. Now wetin I just can't tell una be that. So now the tight, I decided to remove this top when I wear, then leave the tight alone. So that those of you when say, na leg dey dey, I don't know whether on my own dey leg. But as for me, now the way I take see am I be this. So your complaint no go change am. So your talk no go change am. So guys, wetin make me do this video this morning? The message when I dey receive is too much for the question. Abeg, make una calm down. Make una calm down. No, the message too much. I no fit reply all the message once. Some people go dey ask me, how you go dey ask person wey get prick whether e dey see period. Some people go say you get belle. Some people go say if you give get belle. I'm not sure. All this question too much for me to answer. And even if I want answer, no be all question I go answer. Sure, now understand? Because you cannot even know, you cannot see someone and just know everything about the person. If you want to know everything about me, now you say it go easy for you to buy me. You must not know everything about me. Know some, leave some. Not everything you must know about me. So guys, minimize your question because don't be asking me too much question. I ask you guys to follow this page because I have access to DM. No be waiting go make una use message by me. I say I have access to DMs here, but you know, every minute, every hour, message, boom, 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 boom. I am getting tired already. I can't even reply all the message again. So any question where you dey ask now you and your God now you go answer that one because me, I will not answer again.